How to install your Blazer CWL518 LED light on an ATV or UTV. Because this is an involved process, it is recommended that you watch this entire video first before you begin your installation. Read the printed instructions for more information. Here are some of the recommended tools and accessories you will need to complete this installation, along with some of the features and benefits of this light. Note, this LED light can be installed directly to the vehicle using the existing bolts and nuts, or by welding the bracket directly to the roll bar or bumper as shown here. First, use the light and mounting brackets to determine where you want the light to be mounted. Then mark the holes at the desired mounting locations. Drill the holes in the marked locations. Next, using the supplied hardware, secure the mounting bracket and rubber isolators to the mounting surface. Once the mounting brackets are secure, firmly attach the light to the brackets using the supplied hardware. Now that the light is secure, we can begin the wiring portion of our installation. Begin by using a ring connector to attach the hot wire to the positive lead on the battery. Feed the other end of the hot wire from the battery to a 10 or 16 amp fuse. From the fuse, run the wire to the dashboard by drilling through the firewall in a logical location that will not interfere with engine operation. Protect the wire with a rubber grommet. Bring the wire to the underside of the dashboard within reach of the driver. To prevent interference with driving operation, secure the wires with black zip ties. Insert a switch into the dashboard and attach it to the hot wire from the battery. Next, run the hot wire from the switch back to the light bar, using a route that will not interfere with engine operation. Secure this hot wire to the corresponding hot wire in the light's pigtail using a heat shrink butt connector. In the same fashion, use another heat shrink butt connector to attach a neutral wire to the corresponding neutral wire in the light's pigtail. Run the neutral wire and secure it to a good ground location somewhere on the vehicle that will not interfere with engine operation. Finally, test the light to make sure everything works properly. Read the printed instructions for more information. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Blazer CWL518 LED light. These lights are for off-road use only.